Good morning, students. Welcome to the new session of your subject computers. In today's session, we would be revising the topics or the content, the knowledge we had gained in our previous class, that is class 3. So, in today's session, we would be discussing about the contents, the chapters which we had covered in class 3. As in my first video, I had briefed out the topics which we had done in the previous class. The previous class we had started with understanding the process of computer system, how a computer works. The process which it follows named as IPO, that is input processing output cycle. We studied about the different parts of the computer which performs the different functions as per IPO cycle. We compared and we understood the difference between hardware and software. We learned some effects in drawing by using Tux Paint. We understood the new operating system Ubuntu, the uses of keyboard, word processing application, that is LibreOffice Writer, which help us to write and edit the text. Then we learn about the new program or programming language, that is your Scratch. By using the Scratch, we had performed different projects. We had made different actions performed by the sprite by using the different Scratch codings. All we had done this in our previous class, and before starting with the new syllabus or the new topics, I would like to revise these topics once again so that it would be much helpful for us to understand the upcoming topics. So we had started with the first thing, that is IPO cycle. As we know that computer is an electronic machine which is capable of performing actions, doing calculations and processing on the basis of the instruction or the command given to it, and these command or instructions are given by the user. These computers have different uses in different segments of or different parts of the life. Like the computers are used in school, it can be used in office, it can be used at home, and there are many areas where computers are now being used for doing different works. Basically, a computer follows the IPO process, that is input process output cycle. The input are the numbers, words, or the data which is being provided by the user to the computer by using some input devices. Now those input devices are your keyboard, mouse, scanner. Once the input device provides the input to the computer, the next cycle or the next process starts, that is processing. Processing is your evaluating. Just for an example, if I go with the content, I open up a Word, or before that, I'll just start a calculator. So In this, I just elaborate the example. I have given 2, add 3. So these 2 and 3, the digit 2 and 3 which I have provided to this program, that is calculator, are the input, and addition or plus is the operator. So I have provided the input by using the keyboard, or you can say the number pad. Now once I have provided it, as I soon enters, as you can see, the output 5 has shown. So what has happened? I provided the input 2 and 3 to the computer. It processed it out. Process means it added up, or whatever is the instruction, it performed according to the instruction. Once the process has been done, it has generated an output which is shown on the screen. That's 5. So this is IPO, that is input processing output.